How to set up your Nexo account quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your Nexo account. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys can do is you can go to nexo.io and you will land right here on this exchange. Nexo was leading crypto exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto. We have earn option, exchange option, borrow, and we also get our own Nexo wallet and a Nexo card. So it's actually all in one exchange that gives you a lot of different options. When it comes to using Nexo, you will require an account, and I'll show you how to set up your account. Once you get to nexo.io, you will get to this website and you can see we have sign in option and then we have get started. So as a complete beginner, you will click on get started. It'll take you to platform.nexo.io/register. So you can see we will require a new account, and for that we have to enter our email address. Once you enter your email address, you have to set up a reasonable password. Then you will click right here. You will check this. I hereby confirm that I have read and agreed to terms and services. And then you will click on create account. After that, you will get an email from Nexo where you have to verify your email address. So you're going to click on verify email. Then we need to enter our email and password again to log in. And then you will get your own dashboard on Nexo. So you can see it's very easy to create an account on Nexo. And you can see we have platform.nexo.io. This is our main dashboard. We will be getting marketplace, exchange, where we have convert, boost, and Nexo Pro option. And then we have our transactions. We are also getting our buy crypto button here. And this is going to be our account. In our dashboard, we will be getting some of the, in our dashboard, you will scroll down to your market highlights. It'll show you the market highlights that we have some of the assets. The marketplace on Nexo is huge. So when it comes to setting up your account, what you can do is you can actually deposit some fund into your Nexo wallet so that you can actually trade on different crypto. You can check out the exchange and everything. So for that, you can go ahead and actually download a Nexo wallet and create a Nexo wallet. It's actually really easy. Once you have an account on Nexo, you will be able to get a Nexo wallet. Then you can buy crypto with your Nexo wallet. So you can see we have buy crypto option here. First you will buy the crypto and then you will of course trade it, and if you want to add it liquidities, and it will actually show you all the convert option where you can swap crypto as well. Once you click on buy crypto, it'll take you to this option here, and then you can buy crypto. Similarly, we have our marketplace here, so I'm going to take you to the markets. In our markets, we have our markets overview. We have top movers. We will be able to find some of the tokens and crypto. We have like FTT here, Solana, Lido, and then we have APT. Then we have volume where we can find some of the coins, tokens again. Then we have market cap. You can scroll down to all of the assets, or you can also create a watch list of your own. You can check out the hot assets as well. So you can see this is our market. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you prefer to lose money or not. So make sure that you understand everything, you know how to do crypto trading, and then you can get started with Nexo. That being said, let's continue. So in our marketplace, what I like to do is I first kind of like add different coins to my watch list. So to add it, you just click on this star right here and it will be added. Let's actually add these three. I already have added maybe Bitcoin here and Ethereum. You can scroll down, you can see we have BNB, Polkadot, Cardano, Doji. And then we have Lido, Mana, Sand, Ava, Sushi, Gala. So all of them are available. FX Phantom. And then you can scroll down. So once you have added them to your watch list, what you can do is I'm going to switch to the watch list so that my market is, customized. So here we have my watch list. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out the price. This is the live price of Bitcoin right here. Then we have like Ethereum, we have USDC, BUSD. This is the price at the time of making this video. Then we have our change percentage here and chart. 24-hour volume, market cap, and trade option. So once you have checked out everything, you're gonna click on the trade option to start trading with your coin. We have buy, sell, and convert. So let's say I want to convert. I will go to the convert option and it will take me here. Savings wallet or a credit line wallet. We are going with convert. Pay with. So this is where you will enter like what currency you will be paying with. For example, I will be paying with Ethereum, XRP. Then we have Tether and others. So I'm going to go with Ether right here. Then we have to receive what you are receiving. And this is going to be Bitcoin. Let's say I have 2 Ethereum. All right. I'm going to go with 2. So I have 2 Ethereum. I will be getting 0.1 Bitcoin with this. And we can also pay in USD if I like. And in USD, it's going to be, let's say I have $2,000 and it'll give me 0.1. If I have, let's say, $20,000, so it'll give me 1.13 Bitcoin. You can scroll down to get more information. And this is how the conversion works. It's actually really easy and you can swap anytime as well, like switch between these, pay with or receive. I will be paying with USD and receiving Bitcoin. Then you can see we have our percentage given to that we can select. This is from our savings wallet. If you want to switch to your credit line wallet, you will switch to this option. Again, you will enter pay with and receive with, and you will be able to exchange and you will be able to convert. We also have a boost 3x option. For this, you will actually have to update and you will have to verify your identity to use this option. Moving on, we have a Nexo Pro, which is the advanced trading platform. You can also go ahead and check it out. It's a new update by Nexo. You can go to transactions and it'll show you your transaction history. Any transaction that is happening here, the swapping, the buying and selling, you will be able to find it here. So it's actually really easy. Nexo is not complicated at all and it's very easy platform with a huge marketplace. So all you need to do is just select your pair, your coin, and then you will check out the balance. You will read the chart and you can also see your earned interest here. Click on trade or transfer and you will be able to actually transfer or convert with your assets that you have. We also have some featured assets here. You can actually check out the assets here as well. For example, all assets, or you just want to go for crypto. We have FITEX, our hot assets, and then we have stable coins. So you can maybe go with like stable coins here and it'll customize your, search for you and you will just be able to see trade and transfer option for stable coins. You can switch to crypto here and it'll show you all of the crypto and you will be able to see the market price, the credit line, earn interest, trade and transfer option. And then we have our wallet here where you will be able to manage your wallets that you have. And this is how you will be using your Nexo account. It's actually really easy to set up your Nexo. That's what I wanted to show you. Once you set up, then you will get all of these different options here. We have dashboard, market, exchange, and transactions. Create your account by just verifying your email address, and then you can verify your identity as well. To verify your identity, it's actually really easy. For instance, you can just click on verify identity and you will verify your personal info and your identity verification. So all you need to do is just follow the steps, like click on start verification and you will enter. First, we have to verify our personal info, where you will enter your legal name and residential areas, and we have employment details and phone number. Click on submit, it will be added. And then the last step is going to be identity verification, where you just need to verify that with your passport or your ID, and then you will avail all of the features available on Nexo. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.